Lighting and Brian. We're doing something different. He had a whole new idea for you that is unexpected in July.
Very unexpected, I'd say.
Yeah. But we went ahead with it. So we are going to do Christmas in July. And we're going to show you how to customize your Christmas expression, if you will, right?
Sure.
Okay. So we have rope light. What is that big roll you got there?
It's a 150-foot spool.
Show that to me. Show that to me. Show that to them. Okay, so we have every color imaginable and a 150-foot spool. But you don't need to do 150 foot. You can custom cut it. It comes in smaller sections, right?
We can cut this every 30 inches for you. So
Okay.
if you needed a 15-foot piece of red
Okay.
and a 20-foot piece of blue, we can do that for you.
So what we're talking about is we're talking about word art. We're talking about expressing yourselves, and we're going to show you how to write it. We're going to start with the way it looks completely finished, and then this whole week we're going to show you step by step on how you can get there, which is pretty amazing. Should we show them? I feel like it's a little early to show you, but we're going to show you the results. So we're going to pan over. Now the live feed doesn't always pick up the color the way we'd like, so we are going to post some photos of what we really see, in reality here. We're going to post those for you. But this was very simply done on, if you have a wrought iron fence, if you have a wood fence. What is this material?
This is a PVC fence.
PVC fence. This is all done simply with zip ties.
Tom did this mostly today, correct?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we had a lot of ideas out there. Tom came up with the fence idea. So it took him a couple hours to put this together, but he went from idea to done in a couple hours.
Yeah. Zip tie. You put it in. It locks around your rope light. Done. You got your words. So we're gonna go back and show you different things you can do. But this is one alternative if you have a wrought iron fence, a wood fence, anything that has gaps in it that you can easily zip tie. Now you've had a few questions along the way, and one of them was, can you put this on a photocell?
Yes, you absolutely could. Obviously, this has a male cord cap, a male plug, so it'd be easiest if you had a photocell that you could just plug directly into. They make them. You'd have to maybe search for it.
Okay.
We actually have one. So
Oh, okay,
yes,
we do. Okay, so we have one. So photocell means that when the sun goes down, your lights go on. When the sun comes up, your lights go off. So that's an easy thing, so you don't have to think about turning it on and off. If that's not something you'd want to do, what about a timer?
Absolutely. Plug it in, off you go.
So if you don't want it to go on, I don't know, whenever it actually goes dark, if you'd like to wait a little bit longer, you can set it for your own times. All right, so now I'm in the rain and I'm in the snow. We have people asking us all the time, can this product get rained on?
Absolutely. All the rope light is definitely outdoor weatherproof. You're going to want to keep your plugs out of the water. Make sure they're not sitting in a mud puddle, because that would be an issue. So as long as you have that out of the water, you're good.
Okay, so as far as the rope light itself, and then if you, is there shrink wrap or something that will also protect it?
Everything's sealed.
Everything's sealed.
The end cap is going to be sealed with silicone, maybe a piece of heat shrink. Same thing with the cord. It's going to be sealed right to the rope light.
Okay, great. Now, we have a Christmas tree over here, and it is, what do you call the way this is moving?
That's a chasing. So that actually has a controller, so I believe it has several modes on it that you can adjust, but that is what's called right now, it's a maybe twinkling or chasing.
Okay, so my important question is when I'm doing my word art, can I have it chase or blink, or do I get those choices?
With our word art that's on this fence right here, that's all done out of 2 wires static.
Okay.
So you cannot make that 2-wire static do all that kind of stuff there.
Okay.
I do have an incandescent controller that I could actually hook that up to, that I could make it blink.
Okay, so there you go.